Hi, I'm Dee Johnson, Chief Customer Officer at CubiCasa Inc. Thanks for joining me today for Super Scanner, a program where we highlight a great photographer who does great scanning. Joining me today is the owner of Hoosier Property Media, Jeff Riggins. Hi, Jeff. Thanks for joining us today.
Hi, Dee. Thank you.
Of course. Tell us a little bit about yourself.
Okay. Like you mentioned, I own Hoosier Property Media. We're based out of Indianapolis, Indiana. I've only been on this real estate adventure for about 2 years or so. And within that time, I've got 3 full-time and 2 part-time employees. And we do real estate and architectural photography.
Sounds great. Jeff is one of our top photographers who scan a property in Fishers, Indiana. He has great technique, and I want to highlight some of the things that he does really well. So let's take a look. Note how Jeff walks parallel to the wall about 2 arms distance from the wall. When he is about 8 feet from the next wall, he turns and continues walking. Note the tilt on his device is allowing him to see at least 8 feet in front. Upon entering a room, walk at least 3 feet in and then turn, and continue walking parallel to the wall. When scanning a kitchen with an island, walk straight and focus on the middle of the floor, keeping both sides in view. Again, notice the angle at which the device is being held, such that you can see at least 8 feet in front. When scanning a small room like a bathroom, no need to enter. Just scan from the doorway and back out when you're done. When you're backing out, make sure that when you pivot to start walking forward again, you tilt the device slightly downward so you keep the floor in view at all times. When you've scanned the entire floor, go to the bottom of the stairs, pan up, and walk up the stairs. You only need to scan the bottom of windows. If the bottom of the window shows in the scan, no need to stop and pan. Of course, it doesn't hurt if you do, but it's not necessary. The speed at which Jeff is walking is perfect, not too slow and not too fast. Before you start your scan, make sure to turn on all lights and open all doors. If opening a door blocks an area, that's okay. Open it during the scan. But if you must do this, pan away from the door, open it, and pan back. Be careful when you pan that you still have the floor-to-wall intersection in view at all times. Try to minimize this if at all possible. If the property has inadequate lighting, you may consider bringing an external light source such as a flashlight or lume cube. the final floor plans.